how we get into our cutlery drawer these days. Here we are. This is the first delivery. Good life, I like it. Just need to get a spoon.
I need a spoon. Anybody need a spoon? A chara?
It's really awesome. It's the first of our relief goods in which we're going to help distribute through the community, which is really cool. Everyone's helping.
You see, we're breaking down our house, literally. Burning all the nipa.
Yeah, so the official breakdown of the house is gone. Start of the rebuild, breaking it down just to build it back up again. Everyone's working. Kids are hard at play. Oh, I love them. That's so cool.
Christmas tree.
Oh, awesome.
Or here.
Well, it's probably easier here, I think, and then we can get out of the... Is it out of the back or side?
Okay.
Side.
Oh, yeah, side. So you're just here. We're in front of the... So yeah, just about here. That's good. Okay! Okay!
Hey!
So here we are in deconstructo mode, taking apart the house bit by bit over there, burning everything little by little. It would have actually been easier just to burn the whole house. Where's he going?
Properly. Like if we park here.
Albert, thank you so much, mate. We really appreciate it.
Here.
Salvage in there, so we're trying to save all the wood. We're going to hopefully use some of that to rebuild the floor, at least the floor. The floor's still good, so we can try and use as much as we can. But until then, burn baby burn. Oh, get it open!
There we go!
Oh,
Yay!
beautiful.
Silverware!
Yeah!
Yeah! We got more silverware. You can put it in there, in the tray.
Oh, cheese grater. Been looking for that.